shows it was a resistance zone, and after that the breakout happened and now becomes support. Right, so this is a very great the flipping level. Okay, why do we call the flipping level? Because once the level was broken, the price will just flip up. Okay, and now you can see this price has been become supported very well at the 1796 level. And in 1 hour chart, as I just mentioned, we already found a very good candle formation, which is a bullish engulfing, right? Okay, so anyone has any idea that how can we trade this bullish pattern? What is your opinion? What is the correct strategy for this? How do we make the buy? Do you want to buy now? Do you want to buy the pullback, or do you want to buy the breakout? Which one? You can buy the breakout, you can buy it now, and you can even consider to buy the pullback at the previous the engulfed part here. Which one do you prefer? Murad says wait for inside bar, wait for IB. Okay, yeah. Now it's because now we have an IB here. We have inside the bar in the last two of the candles. It performed the inside bar. But with the second last and the third last candle is actually in bullish engulfing, right? So once the bullish engulfing happened, can we buy? Can we buy the pullback? Yes. Okay. And where's your stop? Where should be your correct stop loss, guys? Where should be set your stop loss? As you can see here, okay, the correct stop loss should be put below the engulfing candle's low, which is 1796.60. So all we need to do is to enter the 1796.60 and give a risk value of $100, and I just click market order and send it to the market. Done. And you can see the order is here. Okay, the two position has already entered the market. My total risk is only $100, right? My stop loss was very clear, 1796, and I choose to buy it now because I'm not afraid of the pullback, because if the price really hit my stop loss, then it's never a bullish trend. However, if this bullish engulfing can start a reversal, my upside target will easily go to 1822. Okay, so basically I'm risking this much, okay, and I'm targeting 2 or even 3-to-1 reward and risk ratio. So guys, please make your judgment whether do you want to do this trade or not. Buy the gold right now, stop loss at 1796 and aim for 1820. Is that a good idea? Is that because we have a very clear bullish engulfing candle that can support our view and we do our trade? Is that make sense? Does it make sense? Please answer me. Give me your answer, right? Give me your feedback. As you can see, I already entered the trade. Bullish engulfing candle, okay, a pullback, I just boom, click the trade, goes into it. Go for that. Go for the kick. Stop loss 1796. If the price hits my stop loss, I let it go. I'm losing $100. But if the price cannot break my stop loss, but flip up all the way to 1822, okay, very good. We earned triple of the $100. We earned $300. Is that a good deal? How about that? Okay. Right. So we can do paper trading in TradingView. Let's say, okay, we just connect. Let me just show you how you make a paper trading to examine your trading idea. Okay, so I just need to click the buy market trading, show buttons, place sound or execution, show buy sell buttons. Okay, good. Okay, where's the buy sell buttons? Where is it? Is it here? No. Headlines? No. Data window? Where's my? Oh, it's here. Buy. Okay. Buy market quantity 1. Now, If I enter now 1804, my stop loss given 1796, I'm risking $8, right? $8, $200 risk. Probably I can only trade like up to 0.2 lots. So it's 20. Okay. So it's 20. Okay. And my stop loss is set at pips 25. No. Price 1796. Okay. 1796. Dollar give $200. Specimen is less than the instrument meaning of 1. Really? Okay. So 0.2 units. Right? No, cannot. Minimum of 1. 100. Huh. It's quite. This is very weird. 96. Okay, you can see if I enter one lot, I will risk $8. So 20. 20. Okay. 156. All right, 25. Okay, so I buy 25 gold. 25 units of gold, stop loss 1796 will give me a cross approximately $200 risk, right? And I just go to click buy. All right, done. And traders here, stop loss is set at 1796. Okay, and then you can see this in your panel is here. Okay, is that easy? And just by doing this, you are going to examine whether this bullish engulfing candle will successfully give you a reversal or not. Yes, it's coming back to test the neckline. Yeah. So just watch, and also it's come to the mid part of this Marubozo bar, right? If we measure the retracement, okay. If you measure retracement, the 618 will be at 1796 or 1798. Okay, so basically you can treat this as a bullish engulfing and reversal pattern, pullback, and it will go. Okay, all you need to do is enter the trade, stop loss given to this 1796, and wait for it to hit your target. That's it. Okay, and in daily chart, don't forget, daily chart, the gold is still above the neckline, right? Above the neckline. So I will still treat this as a ABC trade. The AB come already, the C finished, and another ABCD pattern will list the price going back to 1A60 or 70. This is my view, right? And if we measure the Fibonacci extension, okay, you can see the target minimum at 1.272 extension, which will be 1A56. Okay, so your first target can set at a 1A56. Your optimal target you can set at 1.618, which is 1A85. Okay, so in this trade, we are buying the gold right now, and our stop loss is given below 1796. The risk and reward ratio is super good, that can give you almost 5-to-1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, sorry, 7-to-1. You can see here the chart, 7-to-1 reward and risk ratio. So this is a good, very, very good trade. But all you need to do is understand where you're coming from, how you find out this reversal pattern, right? Does it break the trend line? Has it? Yes, it broke the trend line, broke the downtrend line, forms a bullish engulfing candle, and the lower low is getting higher. Sorry, the low is getting higher. We are having higher lows of gold because you can see this is a previous low, equal low, and higher low. Okay, the low is getting higher generally. All right, and 1-800 is a very, very important level for the gold. So we want to buy the pullback and aim for a very big rally. So that's the strategy. Anyone have any questions? Have you took this trade? Or you have already entered the trade? Have you? Yeah. It seems like that you guys didn't give me any answer. I can only see Mura says 30 minutes in IB and an area looking neckline. Yeah, why not? Enter the trade. Like 0.25 lots. You're only risking $196 and exchange of $400 above, right? And the best to be accompanied with is using the tool that I have designed, right? Using this inside of our trading system tool, okay? Set the stop loss, enter the risk value, and go for the trade. The computer will automatically calculate the total risk for you. What is lot size? You can see it entered two times of 0.06 lots for me, which is 0.12 lots, okay, in $100. Right, so that's a correct calculation because in TradingView just now we found that we entered 0.25 lot, right, for $200. So $0.12 lot for $100 risk. And now you can see the shadow already comes, the pin bar already formed, right? Okay, tells us, yeah, it's pulling back and having a very good support. And the price may continue going higher after this candle's finish. So this is a solid plan, right? Good. All right. So, and I want to, today I want to make make an example and try to give you guys some connection that how we actually plan our trading system, right? Okay. So recently I have read this article and give me a very, very good hint. Okay. It tells me that to become a successful trader or whatever in which or whatever role, okay, you have to do three things. Okay, so this is a very general idea that how do you become a successful trader or successful teacher or successful engineer, whatever. You have to do three things in 3 steps. Okay, so the first step, step 1, okay, gather your resource, gather your information, okay, find out where you are, what you have, and what other opportunities. What other opportunities? This is step 1. So basically, you have to train your eyes. You have to make good observation, okay, good information collection, okay, and good relationship with those experts. So why do we need the step 1? Okay, because if you don't have a step 1, right, probably you don't even have a chance to find that there's potential opportunities for you. Okay, it's just like when you go to the battle zone, right? You want to make your shots very clear, very, very powerful. You want to shoot those enemies. So the first thing, you have to find out where is your enemy, right? You have to find out where you are. Do you have a cover? Okay, where's the front line? How far is from you to the target? Is that a target or a soldier or a captain or whatever? You have to gather the information. So in step 1 is gather your resource, gather information, find out where you are, train your eyes, make good observation in this step. The second step, step 2, you have to process all this information, okay, with your edge. What do we call edge? Edge is something that you designed, okay? You designed to find out which opportunity is the most suitable one or most profitable one. Okay? So here you have to apply the mathematical thinking, okay, of expectation. You have to measure the possibility. You have to calculate the reward and the risk ratio and find out their expectation value, okay, for the options. Okay, it's just like when you go to the trading, you have to understand, all right, if I want to trade the gold, where's my stop, where's my target? Is the target more than 2-to-1? Is my winning ratio approximately about 50%? Right? Yeah, you have to process the information and make your own solution for this. Okay. So step 2 is a very, very professional way, okay, to decide, okay, or to design a solution for yourself. And now we come to step 3. Step 3 is very, very simple. We name it as execution. Okay. In step 3, you have to be, okay, a very calm and brave person, so that you don't fear, you don't have fear, and you don't have anything that will drag you in any puzzles. Okay, and if we want to put it into in a very short sentence, is do the right thing. Okay, so say for example, if you are a soldier, if you are a sniper, okay, if you are a sniper, once in step 1, okay, in step 1, if you are a sniper, you have to find out the background information, right? Plan, or find out which target you want to shoot, okay, and how you are. Is this target a very good target or bad target? You have to find out your enemies. Step 2 is to think a way that how you're going to complete the shot, how you're going to make the shot and leave the battle zone in a very safe way, right? You don't want to just make a shot and you are going to be killed. And in step 3, after you already design a solution, you just execute the plan. You just make it into a real case, realize it. And in this case, you have to forget whatever those bad comes or those good results. Okay, just be a very, very calm, very, very silent killer. You don't make any noise. You just do it. Do the right thing. Finish the shot. Okay, and if you can apply the 3 step into the things that you're going to do, or into in your real life, whatever, any aspect, okay, trading, or teaching, engineering, whatever. Okay, if you can apply this 3 step, trust me, you are going to be very, very safe, because you are a very, very good observer, and you are a very, very brilliant designer, or you are a very, very good problem solution provider, and then you still have a very good execution. You can make it real. Okay, so who actually is the best example you have to learn to become with? Okay, my answer is this guy. Is a baseball player, name is Ted Williams. Okay, because he is not only an athlete, he's not only a baseball player, he actually makes mathematical thinking and design his best baseball strategy. Okay, so he actually create what we call a strike zone. So it's this chart. Okay, so he divide all the potential possible balls that coming from the opponent. He designed this. He cut into the baseball into 77 grid, and he actually test a very very good possibility that he can actually hit the ball, and he scored it. And only when the ball comes into his best trading zone or hitting zone, he will actually make the hit. Okay, by doing this, he becomes a very, very great baseball player. And his strategy is even go to the Warren Buffett's The War. Okay, because Warren Buffett puts his picture and his one of his sentence that the gods brings the ball to you and all you need to do is to hit it. Something like this. Okay, so his words effect gives Warren Buffett a very, very good innovation of how to make investing into a systematic way. Okay, so we come back to the trade that we just made. Okay, like we made the gold trade here. Okay, we examine the candles. We tell okay, this is a bullish engulfing. Although the price is now coming down in a very sharp way, and you may be feared, oh, is this trade going to be loose or not, right? No, don't need to be panicked because we have already complete our observation part, the step one. We have make a plan that how we are going to trade this bullish engulfing and where's the target, where's the stop. Our solution is very, very mature. Okay, we have a clear entry, we have a clear stop loss, we have a 2-to-1 or 4-to-1 reward and risk ratio for the target, and then we just enter the trade. So by doing the 3-step, we successfully make a trade for the gold. Whether it can hit my stop loss or hit my target, I don't know, and I don't care because this will be only one of my trading in my entire trading history. Okay, and another figures I need you guys to know is Kobe Bryant. Okay, so Kobe actually once said he prefer to make 9 shots, make 30 shots but 0 score rather than making only 9 shots in a game and 0 0 score. So he believes the more balls, the more shots he made, okay, the more chance that he's going to score. So Kobe actually made this figure. Let me just show you. Okay. So this is something that I make a study with Kobe Bryant's. Where's it? Let me just go to the Zhihu and give you some idea. Oh, this guy used Python to to analyze Kobe's the boss ratio. Okay. And I'm very sad that he actually passed away. Okay, so here this part, right? It's written in Chinese. Okay, I rather 30 shots 0 score rather than 9 shots 0 score. zero score. Because if I only made 9 shots in a one game, means I'm beaten by myself. Okay. And I even make a video for this. Let me just show you. Sorry, I kind of find out where's the figure. Okay, here. So in this video, I actually summarize the Kobe's data, Kobe Bryant's data. Okay. Okay, here. Kobe made 33,643 points. He actually ranks number 4 in the entire NBA's history. Okay, remember this figure, number 4 for the score. He makes 26,200 shots in his life, and this figure is the number 1 in the NBA's history. Number 1. Okay, the top shots that he made. He scores 11,719 balls, and this figure only ranks number 6. But the next part, he lost 14K, 481 balls in his career, and this figure is also the number 1 in this world. So what we can learn from this figure, okay? So Kobe doesn't have the best score. Kobe doesn't have the best scoring ratio, okay? But he actually made 2 figures that is the top 1 in this world, which is the top shots that he make and the top the overall quantity that is the highest of the highest quantity of there's losing balls. Okay, he loses the shots. It's also number 1. And this actually explains that why he actually prefers 90 shots, 0 score, rather than 9 shots, 0 score. Okay, because he is a firm believer of law of large numbers. If you can do one thing, okay, if you can repeat the strategy, the 3 steps, okay, in many times, you can repeat this in many times, and it's just to do it in a very consistent way. The law of large numbers will guarantee you a successful life. All right, so here's my story, and thanks for coming. So basically, I just want to share this very great, the 3 steps for you guys, because this can help you in many areas, in your work, in your life, in your how you set your targets, how you actually plan the target, how you trade the plan. Okay, and typically for the trading part, it's very important that we follow the 3 steps. We find out the candlestick patterns, we find out the harmonic patterns, right? We check the price action. Oh, there's a pin bar. Oh, there's a bullish engulfing. Oh, the trend line was broken, right? Oh, the lower high, the higher low is created, right? All this is into step 1. You find out those informations, and then you gather this information and process it, okay, and comes with your own plan that how you're going to took the trade, which product or which symbols, which asset you want to put your money, risk your money with, and then go to the step 3. Just kick the ball, just shot it, right? With no fear, with no emotion, you just finish the job. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, that's why I designed the system, because with this system it can help you to make sure that your step 3 will be the best. Okay, just for this, like Nasdaq have inside bar just broke up, right? You can see here the Nasdaq have an inside bar breaks up. Can we do the trade? Yes, we do. Okay, let's go for it. And I just need to tell the stop loss at 14741, which is already entered into the stop loss level. And I just need to arrange a $100 risk for this trade. And I click market order and I send it to the market. Okay. And you will know that, oh, good. I have already complete one of my trading today. And this trade could go wrong or could go right, right? But it doesn't matter because I know that I will be doing like 10,000 times or even 100,000 times of trading my whole life. Okay, I won't lose all my money into one trade. Okay, but however, if I continue doing this, I'm continue doing the 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio trade, and if my winning ratio is about 50%, I'm sure I'm a winner. I'm sure I will beat the market. Okay, so this is very, very important, like how we build our inner system, how you get your confidence, how you make sure, how you know that, oh yeah, this is a correct way. Oh, I have to trade in this way. How you make sure that if you apply these 3 steps, you're going to be fine. You're not having any, kind of a bad emotions. Oh my god, I lose the trade. Oh my god, I missed the trade. Oh my god, I sold it too early. Oh my god, I don't even look at the screen. I don't even know that gold can rally so high. I can't imagine, right? You will have a lot of trouble if you don't follow step. You just randomly, randomly buy, randomly sell without planning, without processing, without gathering information, process information, and trade the information. If you don't have these 3 steps, you will be doing a very, very miserable job. And your trading account will be blown up for sure. Okay. So here is my today's presentation. I hope that you like it. All right. And who's your example? Ted Williams, right? Find out more story about him. Okay. Because there are many, many great baseball players. Only him, right? Williams learned down to the percentage at which pitch he should swing, right? So he's the first one. He's the first one that designed this system, okay, as his happy zone. It's just like trading. Why we need to find out inside bar? Why we need to find out? Look for pin bar. Look for bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing. Look for harmonic patterns because these patterns has proved that they have a good reward and risk ratio and good winning ratio, right? So if the market comes into this pattern, wow, okay, good. Now euro is in my happy zone. I should hit it. I should pitch the shot. Okay, the science of hitting. He actually authored the book. Okay, if you want, you can actually, just take a read of this book. Okay, but Williams is really a very, very brilliant baseball player, and he actually, he's the first one who invent this mathematical thinking way into sports, into the sports competition. And I think Kobe actually has the same logic way, the same mindset with Williams, because as the eye of Kobe, he actually also makes judgment of every ball that he wants to shoot or not, right? If the player is behind me, should I dunk? Right? Where's my teammates? Will my teammates pass the ball through the air or hit the ground? Right? His brain is, works in this way that he will automatically find out those potential good balls to hit. Okay? So everyone has to create your rules that which one is your happy zone. And very very good thing is now, okay, guys, since you are already, learn my course, or that Jax is doing this in a very good job. Okay, Jack is actually making money from the market by doing this harmonic pattern trading system, Jack's Projack trading system, right? I have already done the things, okay, and you just need to follow my step. You just need to copy me, and make sure you apply the 3 steps, okay, and so that you can find out those good opportunities. So everyone is the same. We find out the trading opportunities, we plan the details trading plan, and then we trade the plan, and the result will cover itself. The more you trade, the law, large numbers will apply and will guarantee you a successful life. All right. Okay. So last but not least, if you want to learn my course, you can join me. You can talk to me. I will just tell you everything about the trading, how do you make money. And a lot of my students have already become a very, very good trader, and they can easily earn like 3K or 5K or even 10K US dollar per month. Okay, which is very good. So I will keep doing this. I'll keep tell you guys which is a good direction and how you're going to train yourself. And today, I think we have already covered a very good thing is how do you follow the steps, okay? Because it's not only me, William, okay? Ted Williams has done the three things into his baseball career, and he makes a great job, right? So just do it. You'll be covered. All right? So see you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for reminding me. Yeah, I'm still. Thank you. Stop.